my hair right? No, that was a genuine, is my hair right, not a joke.
Yeah, that's it. That's cool.
Thank you. Never had anyone do that before. Felt quite good. Hey guys, George here from GVE London. Hope you're well. To the right of me over here, we have a very exciting project, which is actually for one of our top clients. He's an international footballer who plays for one of the top Premier League clubs.
Traore with good pace and a good cross as well, but just too high for Jimenez. And Neves will hit it! Oh! That is special! It's magic at Molineux!
Gave us a phone call one day and just requested that he wanted a 7-seater performance SUV, but it was very important that it had 7 seats so it could fit his family in there and have enough luggage compartment space in there as well. So we had a bit of a task on our hands to find this car for him. So lo and behold, we went through the Range Rovers, we went through the X7s, and finally settled collectively with the SQ7. But we didn't just finish there because he had a dream in his mind and he wanted the car to be exactly how he wanted it to be. He wanted the car to be in satin black. He wanted an ABT body kit to go over the whole car. Not only that, we're also upgrading the wheels to 22-inch ABTs in gloss black. In Europe, you can only get the SQ7 in a diesel. You can't get it in a petrol. However, our customer really wanted it to be as mean as he can get, as aggressive as he can get. We have found a module which will make this exhaust sound as close as possible to a 5-litre supercharged or a Urus. So you get a couple of pops and bangs in there. As you know, the SQ7, it does have air suspension, and with the air suspension module, you can actually tweak it so you can adjust the air suspension yourself on the inside. So at the moment, this is on its lowest setting, and we're going to get it even lower. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to see the complete and final product of this project, and look forward to handing it over to him.
Hey Andreas.
Hey Jason.
How are we doing today?
We're doing good. We're doing very good. We've just received a lovely new addition to our showroom, which we're very excited about.
So what is it?
It's a Lamborghini Gallardo LP 560-4 Spider.
It's a bit of a mouthful.
It is a bit of a mouthful.
Yeah.
It's a lot of car.
Yeah, that's it.
It's a lot of car.
See if you can figure it out.
Yeah, exactly. Let's have a look.
Hurrah! It works. What's that? Yeah. That works.
Much better.
That's it. Aussie bro, what have you done to this SQ7?
Fitted a Milltek exhaust sound controller because V8 diesel. You know diesels don't make sick noises, so added some sick noises. It's all controlled by the car, so you go select the mode.
So that one's with it on?
Yeah.
And then,
sounds right.
And then with it off? It's nothing, isn't it?
So the control module connects to the factory systems, and it bypasses it, and then show you the app.
Or is it an app as well?
So you got an app on the phone where you control however you want to make it sound. So just let it load up, bang. So you want to change the sound characteristic?
Yeah.
And then
that's alright, isn't it?
and then you can change the noise. Depends what you like. So we're doing the fun part. So this is part 2 of the modifications we're doing. So we're doing a air suspension control unit from Milltek with our master tech Bruce. He's doing the wiring. So we're gonna fit. we're gonna
He's
fit
hiding,
this,
Bruce.
we're gonna fit this module in,
Okay.
and then this will allow us to control the air suspension on the vehicle from the phone. You can set it to whatever ride height you want, so you can go lower, higher. You can literally just slam it or whatever, like a traditional air suspension control, like airlift performance, something like that.
Okay.
This will be for this, but it will be utilizing the OEM system. And yeah, we just started wiring on it. We had to remove all these undersides and that, and Bruce has started to do the wiring. You see the OEM wiring loom, and then he's using the wiring diagram they sent us to pin and then strip these wires and then put them where they go. And then obviously he's used soldering iron and heat shrink to make it all look OEM. And once it's done, we'll be replacing some OEM carpet cloth tape over it just to make it look all nice and like it come out of factory. Done it.
Unwrapped Season
What are we doing here, Mr. George?
2. We've just taken this absolutely stunning Rolls Royce Cullinan stock. Hammers to my right over here, looks after social media. Likes to pester me on an hourly basis to get some more videos done. But Jason, come.
Okay. Take me. Show me.
You don't use your hammers if you go. I'm joking. Two-tone exterior, satin silver paint, blue metallic paint. We've got the coach lines from the factory. And in fact, if you just stand back for 1 second.
Hello Narinder, how are you? I'm sorry I can't have you here in the showroom. Due to government guidelines, we can't have any customer here. So I thought I'd do a virtual handover to your new and improved and protected Tesla Model X. So just come over. This is effectively your new car.
ABT wheels.
Yep.
So they're diamond cut edge. Got the black rims with Nice.
Once you press save setting, you'll save it to the bar. Yeah, whatever you set that to, press save, because it goes through that to the stock system and all of that, it has to level itself out. And the other.
This is the thing I like.
Watch this.
Let's go around the back. Tutorial.
Tutorial, yeah. I just got a tutorial before I go and get the customer tutorial.
Now
You got this, George. You got this, George.
So use the phone,
Set
just
it.
save it, save it.
Moment.
That's at stock ride height.
0,
Yeah.
So I save that.
Okay.
I'll go to profile 2. So guys, here at GVE London, we've been working on this bespoke project for our VIP client, Ruben Neves. It was over at GVE London where we sourced and secured the SQ7 in left-hand drive as requested. The car was then sent over to GVE Servicing where we installed a module for the suspension and for the exhaust, and then sent across straight to the body shop for an ABT full body kit to be attached to the car. It was then sent across to GVE Customs where we wrapped the car in satin black and then sent over to GVE Detailing for the final bit of prep and ready for the unveiling. Right here we have the finished article. So, with the ABT body kit, we've got the front intakes in a contrast gloss black, which actually suits quite nicely sitting on top of the satin black wrap. We walk along over here and we've got the 22-inch ABT wheels, also in gloss black. And then we've got the slightly more aggressive wheel arches, which gives it a bit of a wide body look, but not too aggressive. It's made to be usable. And then you've got these fenders, which give it that, once again, a bit more of an aggressive look in a contrast gloss black. And then you move down to the side skirts, which gives it a bit more of a lower, deeper, meaner, aggressive look again. And then just moving along to the rear of the car, you've got the rear boot spoiler and the windscreen, sort of the rear screens around over there as well. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but everything has been de-chromed on the car. So with the base of the car being satin black, all the contrasting items such as the badges and the chrome strips are in gloss black. As we move alongside over here, I'll just quickly show you the interior, where GVE Customs had installed bespoke iPads with the wiring going through the seats. These are of course detachable, so you can take them out. But yeah, it's something that Ruben said he wanted. We suggested that we put iPads in there instead of TVs because yeah, it's great to have, who doesn't want iPads in their car? Not only in the rear seats had we installed the iPads, I'm not sure if you guys remember, but Ruben wanted a 7-seater specifically for his family. So we managed to install 2 rear screens for the 2 passengers in the back as well. So as you can see, there's an additional 2 screens just over here as well. The one final customization we had done on the interior is it's actually quite a nice touch because the interior is red, but GVE Customs had added this red vinyl strip just to go along the dashboard, which gives it once again that sort of nice contrasting feel and that contrasting accent on the dash. Also at GVE Servicing, we installed the module for the suspension, and you've got the choice of controlling it through an application on your phone. As you can see, you've got the adjustment in millimeters for the front suspension and the rear suspension. At the moment, this is on off-road mode. At the touch of the button over here, I'll just activate the show mode and you'll see the car drop. So you've also got a Milltek sports exhaust option, which we've installed via a module, once again controlled on an application on your phone. You've also got the option of controlling it via the dynamic mode on the interior as well. So I'll just show you over here. At the press of a button, you can activate the exhaust. And not only that, you've got the option of changing it to different tones. So guys, here we have it. That's the finished article. A great example of what we can do here between all of our several departments. So from GVE London to sourcing the car, GVE Servicing, GVE Body Shop, GVE Customs, and of course GVE Detailing. We can make your dreams come true. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys have anything you'd like to do to your car, if you'd like us to make something like this similar for you, please do give us a call. Thanks. Hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when our latest videos are coming out. Thanks.